Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I'm Ashee from Crafting with Ashee. This isn't actually a project video, this is a haul video. So as a demonstrator I was allowed to pre-order from the new annual catalogue today, which goes live. I've just been looking at it. It's so exciting and I wanted to share with you what I got. So this is the new annual catalogue. I can't show you the inside of it yet, not until it goes live, but this is the outside. If you want a copy of the catalogue, just leave a comment down below and let me know and I'll get one out to you ASAP. So that's the new catalogue. So let me show you what I got, because that's what we're all here to see, isn't it? So let's start off, where should we start? Let's start off with some of the bundles that I got. Okay, and let's stop as it's the easiest way to do it, I think. This is a bundle. Well, it's a suite of products and it's called the Happiness Abounds, and you can get the stamp set. I'll show you here, which I love these florals and these sentiments as well. Sending many thanks for all you do. Congratulations, you're wonderful in every way. Happy birthday, best wishes, friend. Wishing all the happiness you can imagine. I just thought it was so sweet. And then of course you get the matching dies, which are these here. So that comes as a bundle, but you can get the other bits of the suite, and includes these glorious glossy dots. Look at them, I love them, they're just wow. And then of course some designer series paper. So let's have a look at the paper. So wow, isn't that pretty? It's busy but oh so pretty. And then you've got that side. Oh, I really like this side, it's nice. And then you've got these. I like this too, but oh yeah, no, this is really cool. I love it. Look at it, the rainbow. Woohoo! I love rainbows. And then these. Oh, I love this paper. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. This is gorgeous. I love all these florals and the different colours, and then the backs are also so pretty. I don't always like both sides, but wow. This is definitely singing my name. So that is the Happiness Abounds suite of products. So I got that. So let's put that aside and let you show you the next lot. I'll show you just these dies. I got them by themselves. There's a stylish shape dies, and they're stitched. So you've got the circles, the squares, and you've also got the banners here. So really, really useful set of dies to have. And now if you're British, you'll know Britain survives on cups of tea. Always has, I think always will. So, cup of tea. Isn't this cute? You've got the two different cups, you've got the florals, so you can actually have these little florals coming out the top of your teacup, or you can have the little piece of lemon. You've also got some little flowers here, a tag. You've got some nice sentiments saying, I just can't thank you enough. I miss you, sweet. It's time for tea. Thank you for your friendship. Take care of yourself. Really, really nice set of stamps. And then of course you've got the matching dies. So here you've got the teacups, and you can have all these florals, or you can have whatever you want coming out of the teacup. You could even have a little critter sitting in the teacup. It would be so cute. So, and you've got some really nice extra dies here, like you've got the hearts here, which are, you know, these, you've got these small little hearts, and then you've got the bigger hearts, and you've got also these little flowers. So really versatile set. So let's look at the matching paper. This is the Tea Boutique designer series paper. And let's have a look. Oh, isn't that pretty? Let's have a look at the colours that are in this there. Crumb cake, crushed curry, fresh freesia, garden green, awkward oasis, parakeet party, petal pink, starry night, sweet sorbet, and Tahitian tide. Now some of those are our new in colours, and I'll show you those in a minute. So look at this. Let me take it out so I can flick better. You've got these. Oh, I like these lemons. Hello. I like lemons. So let's see, I've missed one out here. Whoops. I like all these little teacups as well, because if you want you can fussy cut all of these out, and you've got a ton of embellishments then as well. Oh, I like this. That's nice. Oh, this is lovely. Really like that. I like the bold bright colours, so this is really up my street. And if you you like pastels, we've got these on the back side as well. Oh, look at these little envelopes with little florals peeking out. Isn't that cute? And you can, if you want, fussy cut these out as well. Oh, I like that. Nothing better than a cup of tea in the garden. Okay, so that's the Tea Boutique bundle. You can get this also as a suite with some matching envelopes and card blanks, but I didn't get those, but you can get that. So let me put that aside and let me show you a few other things before we get on to the new in colours. I got these, and well, these are actually in colour as well, so let me put that aside for now. I got these are the rustic metallic adhesive back dots. They're really nice. Then I also got this, what do you call it, embossing folder, fern, and it's a 3D one, so it's nice and chunky. I got these embellishments. These are effervescent elements, and be really careful when you open them up. They're all these little balls in these different sizes. These are perfect for shaker dome cards. Mentioning that, we've got these new domes, shaker domes, the vintage bottle shaker domes, and these go with a punch that I don't have as yet, but I am getting. As you can see, you've got these little shaker domes, and this will be perfect with those effervescent shapes, so that's great. One thing I wanted to mention is the die sets I just showed you. They all come with these pieces of plastic packaged in. Now, don't throw these pieces of plastic away. I know it's easy to moan that there's too much plastic packaging and yak, which is true, but don't throw these away, because they do have a little hole at the bottom here, but if you cut that away, these are great for all over shaker cards. We have acetate, which is much thicker, and it's great for standard shaker cards, but if you want to make a shaker card that encompasses the whole shaker, you need a piece of acetate that is much more pliable than a window sheet, and these are perfect. So do save that and reuse it, and don't let it go to waste. And if you check on my channel, you see I've just done a video for an all over shaker card, so do have a look at that, and this is perfect to make them. So there's a tip to recycle and reuse. Okay, so let's have a look at the new in colours. We have 5 new in colours, and I'm going to show you the cardstock to start off with. So let me just get it out. I have everything piled up in a tenuous pile next door to me. And of course, what I want is at the bottom of the pile. Sod's law. This is the new in colour, so I'm going to take it out of its packaging for now. This is Parakeet Party. It's a lovely lime green. Now this comes in the 12 by 12 pack. This is a 12 by 12 multi-pack, and you can also get this in the A4 multi-pack or the A4 individual pack. Now I did get some of the A4 individual packs, but they weren't all available, so I thought I'd show you. They are coming. I'm getting them on my next order. I thought I'd show you the 12 by 12. So this here is Parakeet Party. This lovely lime green. This one is called Tahitian Tide. I do love the names Stampin' Up think of for their card. It's just, they're so fun. So this is a great turquoise. If you remember Tempting Turquoise, this is a great replacement. Then we've got Sweet Sorbet, which I don't know if you remember a colour we used to have called Strawberry Slush. It's a bit deeper, more reddy than Strawberry Slush, but it's a lovely strawberry colour. And then we have here Awkward Oasis, which is this one here, and it's a lovely purple colour. And then we have here Starry Night, which is a navy. It's not as deep a navy as Night of Navy, but it's a lovely warm colour. So those are our 5 new in colours. Okay, and of course you get the ink pads. So we've got again Starry Night. Let me bring that Tahitian Tide, Orchid Oasis, Parakeet Party and Sweet Sorbet. So you're getting a glare over there. And then I got for them as well the re-inkers. Now I would advise whenever you buy a stamp pad to always buy the re-inker, and then you're not going to be sorry later on. It's just a good rule of thumb. Then I have these. These are the In Colour Opal rounds, and if you can see, those are they in the different colours. Now these are the 2001 and 2022 in colours, I should mention. So this is Pale Papaya, Fresh Freesia, Soft Succulent and Evening Evergreen, and Fresh Freesia, and what's this one? Polished Pink. That's it. So these are also in colours, but they're the in colours that are still carrying over, I should say. These are the current ink, the new in colours. As you can see here, we've got Starry Night, Orchid Oasis, Tahitian Tide and Parakeet Party. So let me show you a bit better. Let's pull these out just a little bit so you can see, and there's Sweet Sorbet hiding at the top. So don't think there isn't Sweet Sorbet as well, but when you look at it like that you might think, but there's Sweet Sorbet hiding away at the top. And again, this packaging that comes here, don't get rid of this, don't chuck it, reuse it again for shaker cards. Really useful. Then we have In Colour Twine, so you can see there again the colours. And the ribbon, I didn't get all the ribbon, but I did get this one. This is Starry Night, Tahitian Tide, which I love. Look at that, it's metallic twine. It's called Metallic Woven Ribbon. And let's get rid of some of this. Let's get rid of this piece here. Me and this, the stuff that holds it in are never friends, but anyway. There you go. You can see on this ribbon. It's a narrow ribbon. You've got the metallic in it. So this one here that I'm holding up is Sweet Sorbet. And as I said, Tahitian Tide and Starry Night. Okay, excuse me. And then I got the Stampin' Right markers, of course, in those colours. And we do have all the blends as well, in very much the same colours. There you go. So, really lovely in colours, and lots of goodies available in those in colours. I'm just going to move that to the side and show you the last few things. This is the, what's it called? This is called Glimmer paper, and you can see it's an ombre effect. So you've got Sweet Sorbet, then you've got Parakeet Party here. I'm trying to see how many of each sheet you get. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's really nice and thick cardstock like a Glimmer paper is. So you've got Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party. Oh, look at this one, Tahitian Tide. Isn't that pretty? You can't, there you can sort of see some of the wonderful shine on it. It really is beautiful. Orchid Oasis. I mean Starry Night, I should rather say. And it really does. And then Orchid Oasis is here. Really pretty. Okay. And the last thing I have to show you is this. And this is the new in colours designer series paper. So for all of our colour families, the brights, the subtles, the regals and the neutrals, you get the 6x6 designer series papers in their colour families, and you also get it for the in colours, and you get 4 patterns for each one. So here you can see you've got that pattern, and then that one, and then that one. I like this pattern. And of course you get the same again for Parakeet Party, for Orchid Oasis, Tahitian Tide. Oh, the Tahitian Tide is really pretty, isn't it? And then Sweet Sorbet. Okay, well, that is everything. Isn't it marvellous? I love it. Actually, it isn't everything. I tell you a lie. I have one more paper stack to show you. It is not over yet, girls and boys. This is the Sun Prince, and it's this lovely deep colour. So you've got that, then you've got this one, really nice. Oh, I love the sky here. You've got this deep print, and if you've got a white gel pen, or if you want to do white, like mixed media, and you have some white splatters, this will look lovely on this. There you go. Lovely colours. Oh, I love this one here, this last one. And if you want something more subtle, or you know, paler, not so deeply saturated, and you've got the reverse side, but I love that. And that really is it. So, as I said, this is the new annual catalogue. It goes live on the 3rd of May. We're currently in retirement from the old catalogue, so do check out the retirement list and get anything you need now before it's too late. But if you want a copy of this new darling, then just send me a message below and I will get one out to you ASAP. Well, thank you for watching and sharing all this, and letting me share all this goodies with you. When I get my main order in May, I will do another haul, so do check that out. So don't forget to subscribe to my videos and like this video. It's a great way to show YouTube that people are watching it. If you want to contact me, all my social media links, my website, etc., all the links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye bye.